5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs!
That's stupid, Charlie.
Get the operators first.
Beware.
Okay, get that. Bombs. Don't blow each other. Okay, I get perfect.
I need a target.
What were you put Rapture, guys?
Beware.
Okay, new operators.
Beware.
I tried to get it close to the heat regulator thing. Okay, new bombs. You know what to do, guys. I'm not gonna stay.
Beware.
Operator, kill it.
Yeah, new one.
Thanks, Carlita. Turn up the heat, boys.
Love you too.
Sweat 'em out.
Phase 2.
Nuke the operators quickly.
I trust you.
Beware.
Broken free!
Slag elemental coming.
Quick! Get it under control!
Don't have a target.
Warlord, we have it under control!
I need a target.
Bringing the left
Do a
side
bit
into
more
the
there.
middle.
Which one do you want to start on?
Beware.
What?
Elementalist.
One floor left one.
Yeah. Let's get the foreman down.
Beware.
Slag elemental coming.
Beware.
Watch out for the bank of bombs.
That's stupid, Charlie.
Once foreman is dead, we'll kill the fire callers.
Beware.
People who have slags on them get closer to the fire elemental, the primal elementalist.
And if you get anything, just move away from the group.
Beware.
3, 2,
I don't have
One.
a target.
Okay, get the primal, the slag elemental. Okay, get ready to nuke the elementalist now.
Slag elemental coming.
Ever DPS, don't DPS anything else.
Beware.
Dispel it.
Come on, a bit more DPS.
Beware.
Good job, get fire callers.
That's stupid. Beware.
Okay. Get the slag. Beacon closer. Okay.
Slag elemental coming.
Beware.
After. Get ready to nuke the elementalist. Now.
Beware.
That's still recharging.
Beware.
Zay, how many guards do you have?
2.
Okay, kill firepollers.
4 now.
5. Run out.
Beware.
Yeah, get all the firepollers.
1. Slag elemental coming.
Beware.
Okay, get the slag.
Don't have a target.
Beware.
Get ready to nuke elementalist. Now.
Beware.
Slag elemental coming.
Beware.
5. Run out.
Come on, guys, nuke it.
2. 1.
Get firepollers.
More spawn.
Okay, we're gonna kill 4 firepollers.
Run out. 3. 2. 1.
I've got a really low elemental on me.
Okay. Get ready to nuke the last elementalist. Nuke it. Now.
Slag elemental coming.
Come on, a bit more. Good job, kill firepollers.
And
you
hug
start
the
angle.
walls with the shit.
Try to kill the firepollers first.
Fire magic, please. I'm the fire magic.
Kill the guards next. Move them a bit.
I'm casting aim, I'm kind of room.
Okay, DPS just the boss. Move him a bit. Okay, move him quickly, we're starting to get stuck.
Then can
Watch out, guys.
use fire, please.
Move him some more.
Bloodlust again.
Yep, sweet.
That nug over there is my fight that team.
Okay, watch out where you're standing. DPS and healers don't stand behind the tanks. Move a bit more, bit more.
Use all your cooldowns, please.
Archer vigilance on tank.
Just it.
Mjolnir vigilance on the current tank.
Chops, watch it.
Here's everything we got. Good job, guys.
Nice. One shot.
Rush on your first kill, guys.
Hold the plate.
Nice.
And